Welcome to Tampa Drones.
Let me get at least it's like, you videoing?
I'm videoing.
I never know what you do.
I never know.
You know what? I should know you better. You're always videoing.
Always
it's
videoing.
Never just a picture.
And these people could be what?
Anywhere.
What?
They're here with us at the fair.
Boom.
The Florida State Fair.
At the Florida State Fair.
2022.
We're doing the Tampa Drones thing tonight, so we're gonna have a couple sims set up. We got a live course inside, already gangsterismed, all up. Cause who set this up? Was it you?
Well, not this. I didn't set up the. We had this. I forgot the guy. We got a shout out to the Gorilla Netting guy.
Okay.
A little bit of discount.
Okay.
And then we had a gentleman help us build out the whole PVC piping here.
Booyah! Well, they did a great job, didn't they? So shout outs to Gorilla Netting for giving us some assistance there. 1-800-274-1079. Got a special event or just something crazy you want to set up, call those guys. Clinton is going to rip, and I'm going to show you guys what he's doing on cam here. And then we're going to make our way over to AMROC, show you what's going on over there. There he goes. Showing us how it's done. Let's get you guys in here a little bit. Hashtag Tampa Drone Life. Fan gang.
Fan gang.
Oh, squish, squish.
It's like tight in here, though.
Yeah, it looks tight. Slaying it, bro. Put your DSLR sims down and come out here and do it for real with the boys. Winning. I'm having a hard time keeping up with him, man. It's too fast. It's too fast. Oh. Oh. Get it, bro. Get it, bro. Hee hee. Then we got the AMROC booth over here. She's talking on the phone, but she has a 3D print going. If you guys want to bring your kids somewhere to make them smarter, this is where you go. AMROC, Fab Lab, check them out. She's doing 3D prints all night for everybody. I think we're making a gator right now. It's crazy, but she's on the phone. Say hi. Yeah. Nice flying, bro.
Holding them on demand.
Looks like he's getting the hang of it. Hey, bro. Sim life. That's what Dan's been doing. And that and drinking a lot of lemonade. So I'm gonna be peeing like crazy tomorrow.
Stuff your face on funnel cakes and lemonade.
That's it. Yeah.
I'm about to cop a funnel cake sometime tonight.
Get it, bro.
That's
Oh, we got people. We got people. People laugh. All right, Clinton is trying trippy spins. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on here.
Yeah, I'm not even good at it.
We don't know. That's what this is called, practice. Trippy spin. Trip, trip, trip. Dude, you're killing it. Oh, my God. You almost had a full rotation, bro.
Orbit. I like orbiting.
By the way, our camera angle's at like 50 right now. I normally fly at like a 25 or a 30, so that's pretty crazy.
This, like, it feels like I'm already upside down for some reason. I don't know which way is up in this map.
Oh, yo, nice, bro. You just slayed it. Ah, that was it, dude. Clinton's first trippy.
Just don't know they. Hold on. Like,
probably doesn't help that it glitches every once in a while either. Oh, that's a good. Actually, that's a really good way to start. Start high and work your way down.
Come in and like try to go up and pitch back.
Right.
And once it kind of, now I gotta follow.
But you got to see the pillar because that's what makes it look trippy.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting there. I'm trying to get back.
Still though, dude, you're smashing it right now. There it is. There it is. Well, I'm wrapping it up out here. Sorry guys, no GoPros tonight. Ferris wheel, Tampa, Florida State Fairgrounds, whatever you want to call this. I'll be out here again Saturday hosting the Tampa drone stuff. Funny story, I ran into Tampa Jay and his friends tonight. Tampa Jay is a guy that I reached out to like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, seeing if he wanted to make a video together. But randomly tonight, Clinton was out just flying around the lobby area and ended up flying through Tampa Jay's feet and his other friends that were there. And funny stuff, man. All of a sudden I was like, dude, you look really familiar. I think I know who you are. I think I watch your channel. And yeah, so it was kind of neat, man, seeing Tampa Jay kind of exchange a little information. We'll see if he gets back to me. Try to tell him all the fun stuff we do around here. You guys know what we do. You know how crazy we get. You know the stuff we get into. So if you guys are feeling it, you want to come out, support AMROC, support Tampa Drones, Josh, Clinton, all of us local pilots out here that do what we do. But you know where we're going to be at. We try to show everybody the fun side of what drones are about and what we do. So we'll catch you guys on the flip. Shout out to Terry for AMROC and setting all this up for us and kind of having fun and getting the involvement where it needs to be with all this. I'll catch you guys on the flip, man. Totals.